All right, so the X is on the cover where the baby's bum's gonna go, so the bottom part, and that will be the top part where the baby's head goes. So you take this inside filling, you un-Velcro it, and you're gonna slide it through this bottom part of the cover here, which is attached. You're gonna slide it all the way through so that this part, the bottom part of the cover, is at the wide part of the inside. Once you're there, you can put the Velcro back together and zip this up. Then you're gonna flip it over and insert the tummy time board. So the thick part goes at the top where the handle is. You slide it in pretty easily. And then you zip that around.
So
You're gonna adjust the wrinkles so that everything's
looks nice.
symmetrical and looks nice and smooth until you are happy. That's how it looks.
Awesome.